propeller and hub assembly using Autodesk Fusion. Here is the 2D sketch. There are totally 4 parts to be designed and they have to assemble. Mount plate, propeller, faceplate and block bolt. First we'll design the propeller. Here we have the propeller details. So there are 8 cross sections on both sides of the propeller, and these cross sections are shown here in this picture. Using these details, you have to draw the sketch using Autodesk Fusion. Open a new design file and save it in a folder. I have saved it as a propeller with the name propeller. Now, to start with, whatever plane we have already, we cannot use it because these planes are extended planes, that is on the both sides of the origin. So first you have to create the plane which you want to make the sketch. So take offset plane from construct offset plane, and to what distance you have to take that is given here. First 54, 29, 29, 28, 28, 28, 44, 14. Like this, totally 8 are there. So I will choose this plane. If you want to see which plane it is, you can just hover on this. It shows XZ plane. So take XZ plane and take the distance as 5, 4. That is 54 mm on one side. Okay. Next, create sketch. Use the new plane made, and then you have to draw the first cross section with the tilt angle, EA4 tilt angle 22 degree. So take a line, it's a construction line. Draw a line at an angle of 22. You can toggle this using tab button, 22 degree angle. Distance does not matter. Okay, 22 degree angle is ready. Now next you have to draw these 4 lines. So from the center, left side, it is 9.26 distance. So take another line command and remove this construction. It's the actual line. From the center, draw a line of 9.26. 9.26, which is parallel. You can see the parallel symbol. At that point, you have to stop and click enter. Then from extreme left to the right, it is to 26.8. So take the line command from here, 26.8. Okay. Next, from the center to the bottom, it is 2.29. So take line here, 2.29. You don't want this dimension to be shown. It is annoying, so you can switch off it. And if you when you see the symbol of perpendicular, you can stop. And this is the distance of 2.29. 2.29. It's fine. Okay. And next, draw another line from the bottommost point to the top, 12.8. So from here, draw 12.8 like this. This parallel symbol is visible. Enter. Okay. Now we have the line. There are 4 dots. These dots should be connected. So under create, you have conic curve. Join 2 points and make this design like this. It should be aerodynamic. The dynamic shape should be there. Conic curve. 1, 2. Like this. Practically, it is like drawing a freehand sketch. There is no exact dimension to be followed. You are just joining them, which is aerodynamic. aerodynamic in shape. Now, under modify, you have trim command. Trim off all these lines on any of this. So this is the final sketch that is needed. Next, fix its dimension. Under constraint, you have fix, unfix. Click on that. Select the entire sketch. It's done. Next, you can exit from the 2D. And you can click on this home button. So it is there. Now, on the other side of the origin, you have to create similar kind of sketch, which is a mirror image. So you can go to construct, again offset plane. Now if you see, we have constructed on the right side of this XY XZ plane. Now you have to create on the left side of. So check, click on this XZ plane itself, which is in the origin, and here give the distance as minus 54. So it will come on the other side. Then OK. Then create sketch. Select the second plane, which you have done just now. Now, since the sketch is already there, you don't have to draw it again. You just have to project it. So create, project, shortcut key is E. Project all the 4 lines like this. Okay. And we don't want this exact sketch. We need a mirror image of it. So take a line and draw a construction line vertically. Then you have mirror command here. Under create, you have mirror. Select these 4 lines. Then mirror line, select a new line. It gets mirrored. Okay. Now you can delete this construction line. Next, fix the command to fix the dimension like this. Done. Finish the sketch. We click on the home button, you can see like this. So here you have double copy. So one of them you can just click and delete. Select button, click and delete. For objects deleted. So now this is the first plane, that is 54 on both sides. Next 29. It is from 59 plane, 54 plane. Draw another 29 plane. Not from the origin. It is further continuation. So again, construct offset plane. Now this plane is not visible. You can make it visible by going to this construction. So plane 2, plane 1. So plane 1 is invisible. You can make it visible. Similarly, sketches also, whenever you want, you can make it visible. Whenever you don't want, you can make it invisible. So plane 1 is visible now. From plane 1, I need another plane, which is 29 in distance. So I will select the first plane and type 29. Okay. Now, while drawing this new sketch, I don't want to get disturbed by the existing sketch. So I can hide them. And I can hide the first plane also. Only third plane is visible. Now everything is as usual, previous whatever you have done. that only you have to repeat. So this is the second plane. Go to create sketch, second plane. Then here you have second sketch, this one, tilt angle 15. So go to line command, construction line, 15-degree angle. Okay, then take the line from the center, it is 7.89. 7.89. Parallel it is correct. Okay. From the leftmost extreme, it is 31.79. So from here, 31.79. Then from the center downwards 2.2. Keep it perpendicular. Again, line. From bottommost to the topmost, it is 10.21. 10.21. So this is done. Now join all the 4 dots. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this is done. Next, trim. Following same steps. 8 times you have to do. It's all done. Next step is you have to fix it. Then finish the sketch. Click on home button. Press come here. Now next, we can switch on the plane 2. So here is plane 2. From plane 2 towards the left, you have to draw another plane which is 29 mm distance. So from here you have to start, that is construct offset plane from this plane to minus 29 because in the opposite direction. Okay. Next you can hide the plane 2, only plane 4 is enough. We have to project this sketch 3 on plane 4 so that sketch 4 gets created. To create sketch in plane, then create project 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one vertical line. You can make it project line, then mirror about line. The mirror line is this one. Okay, you can delete this reference line. Then fix it. It is fixed. And new sketch. Click on home button. You can delete these lines. So second cross section is also done on both sides. You can see they are perfectly mirrored. Because in this view, it looks like this is bigger than this, but it is, you see here, the front view, they're exactly mirrored. Okay. Next, we are continuing to the next one. From this one, you have to take 29 again. So hide these two sketches and unhide the plane 3. So from plane 3, we have to create plane 5. Construct offset plane from here, again 29. Okay. I can hide plane 3. You have plane 5. To go to create sketch, use plane. This is the third one, third cross section. You have tilt angle of 12 degree. So take line, construction, 12 degree. Then from there, from the center, left side 10.1. Then 0.1. Keep it parallel. You can see the parallel symbol. Enter. Again, line command. It is 36.21. 36.21. Here there is some changes happen. You can just check here. It's not exactly parallel the reference line. It was parallel to some other line. So I'll just redo it. So this is my 12 degree angle. 12 degree angle line. Tilt angle 12. So while drawing the parallel line, which is 10.1 from the center, 10.1. Distance. Zoom it thoroughly so that it will be exactly parallel to the reference line. Now from the extreme end, draw another line of 36 to 1. Now it is showing exact parallel. 36.21. Okay. From center downwards 2.11, 2.11. Is perpendicular to the reference line. Okay. Next, 8.96. Okay. Next, repeat the steps. Connect them using conic curve. Done. Trim. All down. Next, pixel. Done. Finish the sketch. Home button. Next, now you have done sketch 5. So you have plane 4 here. In plane 4, you have the sketch 4. And in plane 5, you have sketch 5. So you can make it visible. I would say sketch 5 and plane 5 are visible. Plane 4, sketch 4. Next, you have to create sketch 6. So even numbers come on the left side, odd numbers on the right side. You can remember that way also. Now, right side, this image has to be replicated on the left side, which will come on page plane number 6, which is 29 mm distance from the previous plane number 5. So construct offset plane for this minus 29. Okay. You can switch off these planes. So plane number 6 okay there. So in this plane, I have to replicate sketch number 5. Okay. So go to get sketch. This is my sketch. This is my plane. Then create project 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Draw a vertical line. Then make a mirror of this with the mirror line of this. Okay. Next, fix it. Then delete the extra plane here itself, or outside also you can delete. That's good. Reference line. Sketch finish. You click on home button. Create these extra lines. Done. Now if you see, we have done, okay, this front view, if you see, they all are, both are mirrored. Okay, sketch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see front view, will look like this. So 3 planes on both sides are over. Next, you have to make 5 more planes like this. So you can, to make it convenient, it is better to note down in a paper so that you don't make any mistake while writing which and all planes you have already done and which plane you are going to. You can better write the sketch. So I can write left and right. So 3 are over. The first one is having 22-degree angle, tilt angle. And second one is having 15-degree tilt angle. Third one is 12-degree tilt angle. Next, you have to make 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for fourth one, we have tilt angle 10. So I'm going to do this fourth one now on the right side. So for the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one has 28 mm plane distance. The plane distance is 28 mm. So on this plane, so this sketch is on the plane 6. You can see here. This is the not the 5 one. Fifth one is right side, sixth one is left side. So to these 2 planes, I have to create 28 mm offset plane. So let me first start with the plane number 5. You can hide all the existing sketches Only plane number 5 is enough. And go to construct offset plane. This plane and take a distance of 28 is 28. Okay. I can hide the plane number 5 also. Only 7th plane is there. So plane 7. This plane 7 use create sketch. Plane 7 for fourth one. So fourth one is here. Tilt angle 10. Now take this line as construction line. Take an angle of 10 degree. Okay. As you progress, the sketch becomes smaller and smaller. So here from the center to the left, it is 9.75. So take a line from here, 9.7. 9.7. Parallel line. Symbol is visible. Okay. Next, take the line command again. From the leftmost extreme to the rightmost extreme, it is 40.27. So from here, 40.27. Keep it exactly on that. Next, from the center downwards, 1.81. Thickness is reducing. 1.81. 1.81. Perpendicular symbol is visible. Enter. Next line command. From the bottommost point to the topmost point, 7.31. So from here, 7.31. Keep it vertical. And now this is ready. And delete this reference line so that it gets clear. Okay, now using conic curve, 1, 2. 1, 2. The length is too big, then you can keep almost straight line. Don't pull it too much. It should not look like this. Slightly. Okay. It's done. Next trim. Then fix it. Done. Finish the sketch. Home. Will look like this. So this is the right side fourth plane. Next one, we have left side. So if you see here, we have plane 7. And previous plane 6 was 6 is here. From here, you have to take 28 mm distance from this plane. So construct offset plane from this, take, it is now negative, minus 28. Okay. On this plane, you have to create this sketch. So create sketch, take this plane, go to create project 1, 2, 3, 4. Then vertical is okay. Vertical line, construction line, the center, vertical line. Next, you have to mirror this. Go to mirror, take this mirror line, this one. Okay. Next, fix it. You can delete the reference plane. finish the sketch. Okay. Click on home button. Delete this 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all done. You see front. Looks like this. Boom. Okay. Now, fourth plane is also done. That's 4 more are remaining. So this is plane 7, plane 6. We have plane 8 here and plane 7 here. For plane 7 and 8, you have to create the distance of, say this is 1, 2, 3, fourth one 28, fifth one is also 28. And for fifth one, the tilt angle is 8 degree. Tilt angle is also reducing. Okay, so the last two planes, easy to remember. Last two planes you have to take as reference for the next plane. You have to take 28. So let us take the 7th plane and then 8th plane and hide the sketches. These two planes. Construct offset plane. For this plane, take 28. It's all done. Okay. Now you can hide the previous two planes. The one plane is visible. Create sketch. Go to fifth one. Tilt angle 8. From the center, take an angle of 8. Like this. Make it construction line. Okay. Next, follow the same step. Left side 11.05. Parallel line. Okay. Next, full 43.52. 3.52. Then downwards 1.09. It's too small. You cannot take it as 10. It's not 10 because 10 is too big to compare to this. This is 2, this is 1. So 1.09. Each of the dimension 1.09 vertical. Okay, enter. Then from here, pull upwards 5.75. Line 5.75. Done. Next, join them. One equal 1, 2. And you can keep almost a straight line. Because it is too long and too steep. Okay, done. Pixel. Still before that, fixing your print this in all the unordered lines. Then fix it. Finish the sketch. Click on home button. Now plane 9 and 8 to see. We have this plane 7 from which we have taken plane 8. Similarly, plane 9, from plane 9 you have to, plane 8 you have to take plane 10. So plane 10 is also 28 mm. This is the fifth cross section. So offset, aspect, set plane. So this one, minus 28. Okay. Hide the sketch. Hide the other planes. Okay, this sketch is needed. 9th one. Also going to blur it. This plane, you can hide it. This 9th plane is also not. Then go to create sketch, create this, open this new plane, and then for create project, you can just click on P also, it will get activated. This is done. Okay, pick a line from the center. Okay. Even if you don't make it construction, it's fine because you're going to delete it anyway. Mirror line, this one. Okay. Make it fixed. Then delete the vertical. Change the sketch. Home. These lines. Done. The plane 9 and 10 are ready with the two sketches. This is used for making this 5th one. Next, let us continue to the 6th one. So 6th one is having another distance. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 5 to 6, it is 28 again. So from here, you have to take 28. To take construct offset plane 28 mm. Okay. Then this plane you can hide. This 11th plane now. Go to create sketch. For the 6th one, the tilt angle is 7. Tilt angle is 7. And you see the sketch from the center, it is 9.68. The tilt angle 7. Let us make 7 degree. Median distance. After that, 7.68, the left side. Parallel 7.68. Okay. From this extreme end, total 42.52. .52. Okay. In case if you forget to make it, remove the construction option. You can do it now also. Circle line. Next one, from center to bottom, it is 1.2. Of the dimension. Point 2. Perpendicular. Take this line. 4.14 upwards. All done. All done. Okay. Next, connect these 4 points using vertical. 1, 2, 3. Done. Trim. All done. Fix. Okay. Finish the sketch. Form button. So under plane 11, we made this. And next, for plane 10, you have to create another offset of 28. Construct offset plane for this at 28. To the minus 28. At this plane 10. I have to take the mirror of this. So create sketch. So to create project 1, 2, 3, 4 by vertical line. Then mirror. Line. Fix this. Sketch. Delete, delete, delete. Okay, sixth plane is also done. Two more planes are remaining. So here we have plane 11 and 12. Next, you have to make 13 and 14. Offset to these two planes, 11 and 12. So first we'll take up the plane number 11. Hide these existing sketches. Hide plane 12 also. Plane 11. What is the offset? So for seventh one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh one, 44. Is that 44 and the tilt angle is 6 degree. 6 degree tilt angle. It's plane number 11. So to construct offset plane from here, we need 44 mm. Okay, done. We can hide the 11th one. So to create sketch, take an angle of 6 degree, the line. Next, from center to extreme left, 7.18. It should be parallel. Okay. From the leftmost extreme to the right, 29.08. Then downwards 0.46. It's too small. Can zoom it. 0.46. It perpendicular. from left, from downmost extreme to the topmost is 7.31. Sorry, 0.26. Yeah, 1.76. This one. You have to take the seventh one. So here we have 7.18, 0.46, 29.08, solve perfect. 0.46 downwards. Full extent 1.76. Line from this 1.76. Like this perpendicular. And next, connect those 4 points or dots using conic curve. 1, 2, it's becoming more and more steep. Like this, then trim off unwanted point, unwanted lines. These 4 lines, then reference lines. Fit it. Okay, fine. Fix it. Okay, finish. Become. All this is ready. Next, in plane 13, we have made this. For plane 12, you have to make another 44 distance, 44 mm distance. So construct offset plane for this of a distance of -44. Okay. You can hide these previous planes and then go to create sketch. And then create project 1, 2, 3, 4. Next line. Next go to mirror. This entire thing. Mirror line. This one. Okay. So fix the element. And then create this sketch. Button. This 1, 2. So 7th cross section is also done. Last one is remaining, 8th one. 7th is at 13 and 14. So I will add the 14th one. For 13th one, you have to make the last cross section that is at a distance of 14, 1, 4. So like this, we will construct offset plane, this one, distance of 14, 1, 4. Okay. Next, you can hide other 2 planes. Keep only 1 plane and create sketch. Then the cross section, final one, tilt angle 7. So create a tilt angle of 7. line, level 7, rectangle. Then center to leftmost 2.1 now. Two point one one. Can zoom it because it is now small dimension. Right. The thickness is reducing, width is increasing. Then total distance 8.14. Next, from center to bottom 0.35. Perpendicular to the inclined line. Point 0.35. Yeah. From this extreme upwards 1.02. Point 0.02. Join all the points. One equal curve. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay, next to trim. Then fix it. So done. Finish the sketch. Button. You can switch on the plane earlier, whichever you are done. So this is done. This sketch has to be projected on offset plane to this. It is at a distance of 14. So construct offset plane for this at a distance of -14. Okay. Then hide the previous planes. Then go to create sketch. This one I have to create project 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Got it. Next, mirror. Mirror line, this one. Okay. Fix it. Sketch. Comments. So now we are ready with all the sketches. Can switch on one by one. So here are the 16 sketches, 8 on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All done. So all the 16 sketches are ready. Next one. Again, hide all the sketches. You can hide in one step also like this. And then go to create sketch. Now take this XZ plane again. And here you have to create one rectangle. Okay, a rectangle. And this rectangle is 16 by 38. So to keep it on center, first I'll take a line and we take height of 8. Take a height of 8, vertical upwards to 90 degrees. We'll hide this one by one because if you hide everything, it will not show whatever you're drawing now also. Okay, this is my 8 mm line. Switch off the dimension here. Next, go to, it is totally 38, so half of it 19. Take one more line of 19 mm, which is horizontal. Okay, next take the rectangle from here. This is 16 mm and other side is 38. So it is at the center. I have used the line to find the center point. Then from can delete that extra line which you have made. Done. Okay. You can go to fix its dimension. Finish the sketch. Home button. Right. It's done. Next, you have to create the loft for this. So you can hide all the sketches. All are present. Next, use, can save it. Okay. Next, go to loft. Create loft. So to create the loft, you have to select the sketches one by one. First on right side or and then on left side. How to start with, you can select the smallest one. This one. Then come to the next. Come to this. This. So the propeller is getting constructed. Finally click on this. It's done. Okay. Right side is done. Next left side. Create a loft. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So propeller is almost ready. Now we need something to hold here. We need to make a hole here. So for that, go to create sketch. Now select the top plane and then at the center, draw a circle of diameter 38. 38 mm. Then finish the sketch. Now extrude this by 20 mm on both sides. That is symmetric extrude. Symmetric hole length distance 70 is join. Okay. Now next you need to create a hole here. Go to create hole. Action on this top surface. You can drag it to the center. It's a through hole. So not it done. All you can do all here. So the diameter is 8 mm. Through all it is going. Okay. Everything is fine. Okay. Now the propeller is ready. You can give the material, save it, give the material. How to give the material? You can just right click and click on appearance, or you can click on letter A. You get appearance A. This will open, and here you can give, as per the document, it is a wood. So search for wood. We have different types of wood here: oak, pine wood, mahogany. I will just download this. Right click, hit the favorites, drag this and drop on this. It will take that color. Okay, it's all done. Next, we need to design the mount plate, face plate, and lock nut. So this was a major part. Now how to draw that? Let's continue to save this. Save it every time. So go to new file, new design, and save it in the same folder. If you save it, will be good. So I'll write propeller assembly, because I'm going to do assembly together in the same file itself. You can create more number of components in single file also. I'll show you how to do that now. It's done. Next, here, how to make more number of components. You see, in the previous propeller, you did in one component in one file. Now you can make multiple components in single file. For that, you have to click on assemble and click on new component. So each component you are creating. So this new component, you can name it as face plate. Name it as face plate. Okay. So here you have propeller assembly as the main component, main file. Under that you have face plate. So you should have this face plate activated. You can see here face plate. Under face plate you are working now. So here you can see your origin and all the axes will be activated here. Now under this, go to create sketch and create. Click on the top plane. That is XY. So where you have the face plate, in this. Faceplate is third one. So third one is here. This is the faceplate. This is a very simple sketch faceplate. So how to do this? Draw a circle of 38 mm. It's all linked. Earlier you may be remembering the 38 number which you did there, and 8 number hole is same here. Okay, done. Next, extrude it to 3 mm. Extrude. This is extrude. Only this one. Extrude it to 3 mm. You can make it in symmetric. Whole length 3 mm. Then you can go to modify and use chamfer. Chamfer for outer edge. So we have two outer edges. Use 1 mm chamfer. Okay, done. For this, the material is mild steel. You can save this. Mild steel, that is appearance. You can click on steel here. I not get exact mild steel. We have stainless steel, galvanized steel. So let me take this galvanized steel. Or cast steel is also fine. Just drag and drop on the component. So it will take that texture. It's done. Save again. Now we are not going to make another file. In the same file, you can create another component. For that, you have to go to assemble. Before that, you have to activate this propeller assembly. Now this faceplate is created. If you create component now, it will get created under faceplate. But I want it to be under main component. So main file. So activate the propeller assembly and assemble new component. Our new component is mount plate. Mount plate. Okay. I can see this got hidden and mount plate has been created. Now under this, you can create sketch. See the dimensions here. Mount plate is the first one. So here, this is the mount plate which you have to make. Use the top plane itself. This is the top plane. Now keep some distance from this. At some distance, create a circle of 81 mm dia. 81 mm dia. And then extrude it to 3 mm. Extrude it to 3 mm, make it symmetric. We'll follow the same system which we are doing since earlier. Symmetric, whole length 3 mm, all fine. Okay. Done. Next, create another create sketch. And on this plane, that is top of this surface, make a circle of 16 mm. 16 mm. Extrude it to 8 mm. With this much. This should be one-sided only, not symmetric. Distance 8 mm. It is joined. Okay. Next again, Create sketch top of this. Draw a circle of 38 mm. Okay. The sketch button. From here, extrude it to 3 mm. One-sided 3 mm. Join it. It's all done. Okay, just a minute. This extrude should be whole. This entire thing should be extruded. When you take extrude, not this only outer one, inside also. 3 mm. Join. Okay. Done. Next, again, go to bottom surface. This one. Here, create sketch. Take this bottom surface. Here you have to create two circles. One is of diameter 40.76. Okay. Other one is 34.6. Okay. You have to extrude it to 2 mm. Extrude. Now only this thing outside. This is joined here for 2 mm. Done. Again, here create sketch this bottom surface. Now you have to draw two lines from the center at a distance of 26.1. Both sides. Okay. Then keep a circle of 8 mm on each. Say 8 mm. These all are 8 mm circles. Okay, this is done. Next, these lines you can trim it using trim command. You can use trim or you can use delete also. Both of them. Now only 3 circles are there. You can switch off the dimension. I see like this. These 3 circles has to be cut throughout. To finish the sketch, you have 3 circles. Go to extrude. 1, 2, 3. Cut the bracket. So these cut lines. Okay, done. Next one. Next step is you have to add thread for this. Adding thread is very easy. Whatever settings are there, we use that itself. So create thread. Just select this and give OK. Whatever setting is there as it is. Done. Threading is done. Next, we need to chamfer the outer surfaces. So modify, chamfer, select all the 1, 2, 3, 4 outer lines, outer surfaces. Give 1 mm chamfer to make it smooth. Okay, done. The appearance for this is steel again. You can use the same steel. Done. Next, this is done. Now again, you activate your main propeller assembly and create another new component, that is lock bolt. This is the last one. Assemble new component, lock bolt. Yeah. Under this, go to create sketch, select the XY plane. This is the XY plane. You can see here lock bolt. If you open, it will show XY plane, top plane. Here again, we'll use some more space. I will go to the left side. Draw a circle of 16 mm diameter. And then extrude it to 8 mm. Can make it symmetric. Full length. Eight mm. Okay. Then create again sketch from the bottom plane. Here, create sketch. Draw a circle of 8 mm dia. And then extrude it to 35 mm. New sketch. Extrude this to 35 mm. One side only. Okay. Then create this thread for the same. Create thread. Just click on this. That's it. Okay. Next, create the hole on top of this. So create hole. Keep it at the center. Well, hopefully it is at the center. Okay. If it is not center, you can just drag it. Now, see the whole dimensions are here. 5.5 depth, then like this conical shape. This is it. Height is 8. We already given. This is 35. So all done. Next. Okay. So hole type is simple. Here simple. And here it is angular. And this is 5.5 only. At 118 degree. This is 8 mm. All fine. Everything is correct. Okay. Next, you can give chamfering. See, you can see here. There is chamfer here also. Chamfer here also. 1 mm chamfer. So modify chamfer here and this point. Give 1 mm. Okay, done. Chamfering. Okay, now we can do the main point. You can see 3 components, and these components are movable. See, you can move them. But only 2 components are moving. Other one is not moving because it is grounded. You can see faceplate, there is one symbol, it's grounded. If you unground it, undrawn from parent. Then this will also move. Okay, so all are moving. Now for this, we can bring the propeller also. So we'll bring the propeller, which we have made now. How to bring it? Just right click on that, insert into current design. We'll come here. I can drag this and keep it at any point, any convenient distance, and say okay. So now we are ready with all the component, component 1, component 2, component 3, and component 4. All are free to move within this environment. Now to start assembling, any one of them should fix, because if everything is moving, it's not possible to do the assembly. So let us ground this mount plate. Okay, wherever it is, we just ground it. So right click on mount plate and ground to parent. Just ground it. So it's asking component has been moved if you want to start from initial position or now this position. Anyhow, this is also fine, or you can go to update to initial position and ground it. So it is grounded. Now it is not moving. These all are able to, but this is not able to. Okay. Now the propeller has already come inside. Now go to assemble, joint. Here you can see component 1 and 2. You should tell which is the component 1 and which is component 2. So we will take the component 1 as this propeller and click on this central point, and then component 2, click on this. The propeller will come and stay on that. One thing you should remember, you should take the bottom surface so that it will stay on the bottom, because otherwise it will get inserted inside. So assemble, joint. You select it from below, and then here from the top, and it will come and stay there. Now if you see here, this is position, this is motion. Fit this motion here, change this rigid to revolute. So it starts revolution. Now you can see whether it is fitted properly or not. See the right view and zoom it. Check whether it is properly fitted. If not, you can move it by making changes here. Is all fitted properly? From all angles you can check. Everything is fine. If you're satisfied with it, you can say okay. Fine. Next, you have to take the faceplate and keep it on top of this. So this is the faceplate. Same command, joint, J. So take the bottom surface, select the hole, then this one will come and stay there. So by default it is revolute. You can once again check its positioning. Everything is perfect. Okay. And then next one is the last, that is lock bolt. So assemble, joint, lock bolt. You can select this bottom surface or this point, and then this one. It will come and stay there. So revolute. Check the right plane is fixed. Now positioning is fine. If you want to push it can push it to the top little. If I am in showing 5 mm, but I need little bit of this 4 mm or 3 mm. Yeah, 3 mm is the thickness of that faceplate. So on top of that faceplate is it's correctly fitting. Okay. Now everything is fitted perfectly. Our assembly is ready. Now how to give the rotation again? Go to relationships. Can close this. Under joints, we have revolute. Right click there and click on animate joint. So it will keep rotating like this. So our propeller is ready. Next, how to print this propeller. So to print not only this propeller, any of the 3D that you made, you have to click on this new drawing from design, and you get this box. Here, this should be full assembly, and this should be A4 sheet. Then give OK. Another environment will open. Wait for some time. It is taking all the details. Depending on your computer capacity, it will be faster or slow. Now this is the 2D environment we have come. So here we have this baseline, and this is projected view on the left top. So base view and projected view, these two are very important. Under base view, which is already selected, you can just see here. This is the drawing. You can just click here. Will get projected there, and you can change this front into home, so that you will get like this. This is 1:10 ratio. You can make it 1:4, so that it will be big enough. If you make 1:1, it will be too big, like this. Okay, so make it 1:4. So fine. Okay. So this is how it will be. Okay. This can be printed. Next, here is the second option, projected view. Projected view, you have to click on this front, on this plane, this isometric view. Then you will you'll make one more base view with the front view and keep it here. Okay. So this one we will project in the. If you are not able to do front view, it's not looking proper. Okay. Under base view, you can go to the right view. So right view is better comparatively, and make it here. To 4 ratio. Then okay. This is the base view. Then you can project this using second projected view. Click on the base view, and then it will get projected. Wherever you move, in that way it will project. See, this is top, side view, bottom, like that. Just drag it upwards, click there. Drag it left side, click there. Wherever you click, it will take like that. So it's all done now. Next, this table, it's not properly done. Means I want something different, so I can delete it. You can delete. Then you can get a ready-made table also. Here is tables part list. Then you can just click on this one. Will generate the part list for it. Check here. You have base plate, mount plate, lock bolt, and propeller. Everything is one in number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is made of steel. Here, propeller is also showing as steel. You can edit it. Material parts list. In case if you are not happy with this, you can delete it. And you can table, you can make custom table, or you can insert table. Custom table will give a table, and you can type here parts list. Materials you can write, and everything you can do. And if you want to add any column or row, you can add here. This is for insert left columns to left, insert columns to right, or delete. This is row to left and right and delete. Like that you can do. You can write your name also and prepare. This is how you can make the table. You can move this as per your requirement and position it properly. Next, how to print this. Here is last export. All sheets. Open PDF. Okay. So this will get saved in your computer. You can see save to my computer. Wherever you want to save. I'm saving it in D drive. Or you can even save in the desktop. Save in the desktop. As Propeller. Save. Now, if you see in your desktop, this is the propeller. So this you can print. Before printing, you have to type all the details here, parts list, and you can type your name and USN also, and give for printing. So this is all about how to make the propeller.